Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ReallyRick and I'm on the train going from Memphis to Chicago. I'm hearing absolute horror stories about what's going on in Chicago. The conductor is already talking about that the train is going to get canceled in somewhere called Carbondale. But fortunately, I got my little sweet little bedroom. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, I've got my queen size bed here. And then I'm on the second floor because it's double decker. Then I got a little seat. And then a little table for my computer and stuff. Nice little desk. And I get free drinks. So this is a screwdriver. And I'm already hot. And what's funny is I met some lesbians. Met a lesbian on the train. In this little room right here, look at that. It's a shower and a bathroom. Isn't that neat? It's a show. I hope everyone's okay. The snowpocalypse, the snow abomination, the SnowMyGod, all the Twitter hashtags. So the trip is going well, and I will have photos of the blizzard as soon as we get there, if we ever make it. So I'll talk to you later, YouTube. Bye.
Go back to their original destination, more than welcome to ride with you.
How long do we have to
Hold on, please. I'll see much later. Now, as I was saying, anybody wants to go on the train, go back home, you're more than welcome to ride with us.
Train got canceled, and they put us up in this lovely hotel. I've met some cool people. There's a tranny on the train, and I met some lesbians and her daughter, and some hot boys. This is a college town, so you know what I'm gonna be doing. So apparently there's an indoor pool and jacuzzi, so it's 5 a.m. and everyone that was on the train's like, fuck it, let's go swimming. But it's locked, so we gonna get them to open it, if you know what I'm saying. It's like, look bitch, we've been on a train, we wanna go swimming. So, but the journey continues.